All right, and now that you've got your keto simple syrup, you can make your keto cocktails. And just take a look at these beauties. That is perfection. Hey guys, it's the Keto King here, and today we're going to be making keto simple syrup. Yes, the quickest, easiest keto simple syrup you can ever make. Let's get right into this keto simple syrup recipe. Okay, what you're going to need to make this keto simple syrup is just 3 things. 1, erythritol, 2, xanthan gum, and 3, some type of additional sweetener. I'm going to be using stevia drops here. Links in the description box below where to get these products on Amazon. Really easy to get and affordable once you have them in your cupboard at home. Okay, so this recipe is coming from Urban Cowgirl. I'll link her website down below where you can find a bit more out about her. But this is pretty easy. What we're going to start out here with is 2 cups of water. Obviously you can scale this recipe up or down, and of course in the description box below I'll put in all the ingredients lists and quantities in that description box there. So what I've got here is 2 cups of water, and then you're going to put in 1 cup of erythritol. Now this is the erythritol I buy. I get this off Amazon. It's really affordable if you buy it in a decent quantity size here. This is 2.5 pounds. So we're going to put 1 cup of this erythritol in here. I've got the powdered, but the powdered or the granular will work for this recipe. Next for this keto simple syrup is xanthan gum. Now if you don't have xanthan gum in your keto household, you absolutely should get some of this. It's really affordable to get and it lasts forever because you use so little of it in all of the ingredients. Now the xanthan gum acts as a thickener, and this keto simple syrup has a bit of a thicker texture to it, so you have to add some xanthan gum of some type of thickener. Now this is very keto friendly, and we use such a small amount that it really doesn't increase the carb content much at all. So what we're going to use is essentially a 1/16 of a teaspoon, so a quarter of a quarter teaspoon. So most people have a quarter teaspoon around, so just grab a quarter teaspoon like I have here and use a quarter of that quarter teaspoon. Add that into your mixture. Then put on your heat and you're going to bring this whole mixture to the boil. Now while it's coming to temperature, you want to stir it with a whisk so nothing starts clumping, especially once you've added in that xanthan gum. It obviously has a bit of a tendency to clump. That's what it does. It binds things together. So now as this is coming to the boil now, we're going to add in some stevia drops here. So again, I've got a link to this product in the description box below where you can get this on Amazon. Again, fairly affordable, and you use so little of it, you're going to have it for a very long time. So we're going to add on about 5 drops of these stevia drops in here. Now you obviously can increase or decrease that according to your preference. Now it's coming to the boil here. When it starts to boil, that xanthan gum is really going to do its work and start thickening up this simple syrup, or at least giving it that that texture and that mouth feel that simple syrup should give you. So you need to boil this around 45 seconds to a minute, and then we're going to take it off the heat. And I recommend just keeping on stirring while this is boiling to ensure that it doesn't clump. And after 45 seconds, we want to turn off the heat and move it off, and we're just going to let it cool here until it's completely cool and we can pour it into a container. Now for me, these simple syrups are critically important for me. You know, I like to have the odd drink here or there, and obviously I try and keep them keto as well, drinking scotch or hard liquor plus some soda or something that is obviously 0 carbs and typically as much low on the calorie scale as possible. But of course, it's really nice to have those keto cocktails. There really are a bunch of fabulous keto drinks, and I'll put some links up here to some of the keto cocktails I've done on my channel. There really are some great ones, but a lot of them call for simple syrups. And of course, simple syrups on their own are just full of sugar. We definitely can't be eating those. So this keto simple syrup is a perfect substitute. You substitute it 1:1 in those keto cocktails, and Bob's your uncle, you are drinking and sipping on some beautiful keto cocktails. Let me know in the comment section below what your favorite keto cocktail is. I'd love to hear what you guys enjoy sipping on. All right, so once it's cooled down and you pour it into a container like this, you're ready to go. What I like to do is pour it in a container like this so you can store it. It honestly keeps for as long as you want it to. It does start crystallizing a little bit over time, but really it's not a lot, and it doesn't affect taste or ability to use it in some beautiful keto cocktails. So we're just going to pour this keto simple syrup into this container. And if you can see this as we're pouring, you probably can't tell on the video. The simple syrup, because of that xanthan gum, has that thickness to it, right? It's not quite as liquid as plain water. And that's definitely what you want in that keto simple syrup, because it gives it that mouth feel. That's what you get on those cocktails, and this is why simple syrup is so important for those keto cocktails. And there you are, guys. Keto simple syrup made in just minutes and so easy to make. All right, and now that you've got your keto simple syrup, you can make your keto cocktails. And just take a look at these beauties. This is a keto tequila sour. Now, if you want me to show you how to make this in another video, let me know in the comment section below. I can definitely make a video on that. But for now, we're gonna cheers this beautiful keto cocktail using our keto simple syrup. That is perfection. See you guys in the next video, and keep it keto.